Hello students, now we are continue with ninth chapter HTML frames. So what is HTML frames? Right, with the help of frames you can display the several documents in a single window. If you need to open any web page, so web page have some space, so which space is divided into many forms. For example, you if you want to put their images or like text and other portion reflect video. So if you want to divide your uh, web page in many parts, you can use frames. So this is the basic thing of frames. After that we are moving uh, frames. What is frames? So the entire window can be divided into many parts so that multiple windows can be displayed at a time of on a single web page. So we have a single web page. If we need to divide and create portions regarding your text, images or videos, you can use frame. So this can be done with the help of frames. Each part of window is called frames. Okay, so here the following HTML elements can be divided to set frames. Three type of. One, frame set. It indicates the rows and columns in frames. So when we talk about frame set, so frame set categorize in rows and columns. If we need to set a position uh, related to frame set, you can set rows number and columns and set a position of frame set. And second thing is frame. It specifies the document that needs to be displayed. If you need to uh, so a specific type of document, so we can use frame. And third one is no frames, which the browser is unable to display frames, then this tag is used. So if we need to unable to display frames, so we can use no frames. So this is about basic things of frames. Now we are moving in details frame set. So the set of several means more than one number of frames is called frame set. And one document need to define frame set so that other documents can be displayed on each of the frame. This is called frame set document. The frame set specify the number of rows and columns and divide the whole web page into rectangular area that can be used to display other document. So this is about frame set. Now we are talking about attributes. Following are the attribute of frame set tag. What is attribute? If we talk about properties of frame set, we can say attribute. So both are the same thing. If we talk about properties, then we can say attributes. Now here we have vertical attributes, vertical frame set. Now frame set tag declare multiple frames. The example given here displays row. How to make a vertical frame set with three different documents. The first column is set to 25%. The second column is set to 50, and rest of part 25%. So we have 100% of the web page. So we need to divide in three parts. We divide in percentage: 25%, 50%, and rest is 25%. Here we have frame set tag. This is frame set tag. And COLS calls, this is attribute of frame set. This means columns, and column set in percentage. 20 here we have three columns: 25%, 50%, and 25%. So this is the frame set attributes. Now we are moving on uh, src. Here we have frame attribute and use src attribute, src for source. So we have we want to add any html or link any html page, so we can use src attribute, which means src means source code, source of the file. Okay, so this is about result. So we have three columns, 1 2 3. First is 25%, 50%, and this is 25. Rest is 25%. So this is about frame set, uh, v- vertical frame set. Now we are moving on horizontal frame set. Here we have divided in uh, rows in 20%, 40%, and rest part of that window denotes asterisk sign. This is asterisk sign, and asterisk sign shows the rest value of area of web page. So when we talk about 20%, 40%, this is covered for 60%. After that, rest is 40%. So this is about the uh, rows attribute. After that, src source attribute. If we link to another web page, we can use src attribute, and then we follow with the path of the html page. So dot operator shows the type of file. Which type of file? html file. So this is about your horizontal frame set. So now after that, we are moving on nested frame set. So this is about nested frame set. Here when we talk about to insert one frame within the other frame is called nested frame. If we have a frame set and need to put inside frame set, we can say nested frame. So this is about nested frame. This can be done by nested frame sets within the same window. This can be done by designing the entire website. Nested frame set is also known as mixed frame set. It demonstrates how to make a mixed frame set with three documents. So here we have our html tag, and after that frame set we use frame, and inside root of frame set, this is root. And when we talk about root frame set, this is root frame set, and inside frame set we have also used frame set. This is nested frame set. So this is the output of frame set. Here we have a frame set a, and we divide in, we insert another frame set. So this is about categories of frame set. Now we are moving on no frame set. So we will talk in different video. So this is about categories of frame set. Thank you.